So we should introduce ourselves
Yes,
so
yes,
that we
first,
can.
yes, first you go. Just tell me briefly, just like village name, just like block name, and your state name and your district name. It is enough.
Yeah. Yeah. So let me do it first. And let me tell you that I am walking while talking. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
I want to I want to experience something new today. So that is why I am in the ground and currently I am walking.
okay, okay. No problem. Just carry on.
Yeah. So I am Prashant Kumar and I am connecting you from Aurangabad, Bihar. I have completed my graduation in 2023 and right now I am doing diploma in elementary education. I like to play volleyball, cricket, badminton, reading inspirational books, biographies, Indian philosophy. And nowadays I am talking to strangers to enhance my English speaking skills and communication skills. So this is all about me for now.
Okay, okay. Very good introduction
So
given by you, my dear brother Prashant. And your introduction was very charming. I listened your introduction very carefully. So now my turn is
yeah,
coming. And first of all, I would
yeah.
like to tell you that thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity on this Skype app to introduce myself in front of you. So this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from Bihar also. And I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher. And this is my
Wonderful.
all about me.
Yeah, wonderful. So you take tuition classes, right?
Yes, I'm not a government teacher. I'm not a private teacher. I just teach student of class 9 and 10th. I teach mathematics and science, and I just student come to my home, and I just do tuition classes of my village student.
Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. So, what do you enjoy most? Science or math?
Mathematics and science both I like.
Both.
Yes,
So
but
wonderful.
when I was in class 10th, no, because I was Hindi medium student starting from childhood up to the class 12. I was Hindi medium student, but that time I was not so serious. Uh, I have been teaching a student of class 9 and 10th from last 1 years, and I am taking interest because before teaching, no, I was having idea of mathematics and science also, but not having much more idea about science and mathematics. But after teaching the student of class 9 and 10th, I am increasing my knowledge and everything about the practical knowledge.
Yeah, absolutely. Teaching is learning twice.
I'm
This is
truly
a
saying because,
practical.
when I was, yeah, when I was in class 10, no, so on that time, no, when teacher taught me geometry, I was not able to understand the concept of geometry. Okay, just like line segment, just like range, just like point, just like plane and parallel lines, consecutive lines, that was not able to understand on that time. But after teaching the student of class 9 and 10th of mathematics, so I got a lot of concept about that.
Wonderful. And I will say that you are doing a brilliant job because you are saying when you are in class 9th or 10th, you were not able to understand the all concepts of mathematics and science. But right now you are explaining the theory and the practical application of that theory very well to your students, and that is commendable.
Yes,
I
yes,
appreciate your hard work and commitment
I'm
to
not,
teach.
yes, I am not hiding anything, brother. I'm truly saying because when I was in class 12 also, but after teaching, I knew everything, and I just trying to teach my student in practical way.
Sure, let me tell you, I am also a teacher and I teach in private coaching center as an English teacher.
Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. So go ahead.
Yeah. So nowadays, as you know, everyone wants to speak English, but they don't know how to start and with whom they can practice. So that is why I am trying to encourage my students to learn English grammar rules from the beginning, to understand all the basics of English grammar, how you can structure a sentence and all of that. So they are more confident than I was when Like when I was in my class 10th and 12th, I was less confident than these students.
Yes, yes. So, yes, after talking, no, they will confidence again. So, so don't worry. You just tell your student and just tell your village person, no need to worry. Just open your mouth and just start speaking. Whether wrong will come out from mouth and right will come out from mouth. No, don't worry. No worry. Okay. One day, everybody will speak like me and like you. They will speak better than me.
100%.
They will speak better than you. They will speak better than others.
Learning a new language is all about practice. It's not about learning the grammar rules or any other specific techniques. It's about the more you practice that language, the more you become better at that language. Right?
Yes, yes, yes. You are truly saying 100% right, and I am agree with your points. And you know, brother, that I have joined this app 10 days before the Durga Puja, and before that I was not able to speak English like this. But nowadays, now I am speaking English in front of you because of the Skype app application. Because I have joined this app. No, after joining this app, I have gained a lot of things, idea, information, data, and everything. I have increased my knowledge, and after watching conversation video available in the YouTube channel, and I just daily 1 hour and half an hour I watch conversation video available in the YouTube channel. But all conversation video is not possible for me to watch in a single night. For me, it is not possible for you and me also, and not possible for other person also. So I just choose one video, whatever available. When comes in front of first video, what video comes first while scrolling in the YouTube channel, just I watch.
Wonderful.
Yes, yes. And after that, no, I am just learning after listening. I am truly saying. And after that, I am just speaking. But one years before, I am telling the story. I was not thinking that I will ever speak English in the life in the future time.
So, like, it's a transformation in your life. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And kudos to your commitment and dedication that you
Yeah,
have
because
practiced your speaking
yeah,
skills a lot.
yes, I have practiced a lot because from 4 months means that November month was Durga Puja or October month was Durga Puja. In October month, Durga Puja was commence. So on that time, I have been talking with different kind of person and different kind of celebrate. Kind of person I am talking and regularly continuously talking and different kind of person, at least 6 and 7% I have been talking with different kind of person on the Skype app, on the video call.
Wonderful, man. And I am speechless right now because you are saying you have just started 4 months before and now you are speaking with so much confidence and clarity. Whatever you want to speak, you are speaking it with accurate words and accurate tonality and intonation. So I appreciate that. And I will tell you that please share your story with others as much as you can because your story will inspire them to break their comfort zone, to face their fears, to become better on a daily basis. Okay?
Yes, everybody in my village know. Everybody having mobile phone, Android phone, and they have bought mobile phone of Android company. And every people, just like poor people, just like rich people inside my village having mobile phone, but they are not utilizing. I am just encouraging the student of my village. Just you come on platform and join Skype, and after that you will be a good speaker because today English is everything. Wherever you will go to outside of India, inside the India, you will need yes. Wherever you will go, you will need English. If you don't have any job, private job or any government job, if you will have English, you will earn money definitely. You don't need
Yeah.
run behind getting the job. Job will come to you, and you will earn money, and you will be employed person. You will be called employed person. You will not be called unemployment person.
Wonderful, man. And I will tell you that I don't think that English is everything. English is just a language. But when we start thinking that English is everything and it's very hard to learn, then it becomes impossible for us to learn the language. Well, treat it like a language, and it will be easy for you to learn the language.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Same goes.
1 month before, no, I was thinking the same thing, that English is very hard things. I will not able to speak English language in my life. But after joining this app, no, so everything is going possible for me, and I am speaking in front of you. So I think that I want to say
Wonderful.
all the person of Indian person who belong to especially for village area, because nowadays, no, only city people think that they can speak English, but nowadays the time has changed. That village person also can
Wonderful.
speak English.
Yeah, there is no boundary for village
Yes,
person or city person. Everything available to us, that is available to them. Okay, so
yes,
there
yes.
is no
If you
barrier in any
yes,
field.
if you are having a mobile phone, no need to join any coaching classes. Just open your Android phone and just download a Skype app and a WhatsApp group. Just and involve in that group, and after just drop a message and start talking. Whatever you are having, and listening and talking. No need to do extra thing. No need to read out any moral story.
But I will say that reading is important. Reading and writing is also important to improve our sentence structure capabilities and how to craft or how to structure a complex sentence, long sentences. And if you want to speak with confidence, you must keep reading good books so that you can have better vocabulary and ability to structure tough sentences, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You are telling rightly, my dear brother, that I am not telling that writing and reading out a story book is not necessary in my life, is also necessary. But I am taking an example. The person, many Bihari person are going to foreign countries just like UK, US, Canada, Japan, and China, and America also going. But you know very well, Bihari person just in other country, Bihari person is most available. Okay, Bihari person have reached in every country. Wherever you will go outside of India, in each and every country, you will find out one Bihari person in each
Yeah,
city.
absolutely.
Yes. But you know very well that Bihari person in 50. If I am talking about a story of 20 years before a story, okay. So Bihari person, why not speaking English 20 years before? But village person went to the America. Okay, but after that they stayed there. They stayed for 4 years and 3 years, and after that they returned from the America, and they are a good speaker. What happened? They did not know writing. They did not read any kind of a story book, but they became good speaker.
Just because the environment has helped them,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. So I
So
think that if anybody don't want to read out any kind of read book, so no need to first you listen and just speak. Two things you have to do.
yeah, and I will say that so we should end the session right now because there are too many mosquitoes.
Yes, 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 yes. Because I think that you are also outside and I am also outside, standing in my field and a farmhouse, and um, because there were many bushes around you, so that mosquito will mosquito house is in the bush. That's why they will come out and they will suck your blood.
Yeah, right.
Okay, okay.
So we
So
should
bye bye.
wrap up the session.
Okay, okay. Next time definitely
Yeah,
I will be having a topic to
yeah,
discuss with you.
definitely. We can
Okay,
text each other to decide a topic, and we will have a better conversation.
okay, okay. Thank you, bro,
It was a
for
great
giving
experience to talk to you.
and your valuable time to me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, okay.